Hello everybody, a very warm good morning to you all. So, today let us continue our very charming topic, that is about the phonetics. Actually, it is not the phonetics I am going to discuss, because phonetics has many depths. Kinds of phonetics like articulatory, auditory, acoustic phonetics are there, like, and aggressive, ingressive sounds are there, organs of speech are there. The focus of my discussion is how to pronounce an English word, or how to know how an English word is pronounced. That is the motto. So that is why just later we shall know about the sounds. All the 44 sounds, the consonants and the vowels, these are necessary to know in order to know the pronunciation of a word, so that we can refer to any one of the dictionaries, or and we can learn actually what it is pronounced. Though pronunciation, you know that it varies from person to person. Even there is different stress, pitch, and cadence or rise and fall of the voice. The intonation varies from country to or people of the country to country. Even within a place, so many people use pronunciation with different intonation. That does not matter. My focus, my aim, my motto is to know or discuss how to know the pronunciation of a word. Though the twist, the intonation will vary. So I have just to give you certain hints regarding all such things. I have written some words. Let us know how are they pronounced, and how should we know, and how can we know actually what it is pronounced. See here. Here the spelling P-U-T, put. We always, because we have been habituated, we used to say it, we used to listen from our very childhood. That is why it is known as put. But why it is not but, it is but. But if it is but, why it is not pot? That is why we should learn the sound system and to know how actually an English word is pronounced. See, first of all, in phonetics, with phonetics, these are called as the phonemic symbols. Later we shall discuss if you take interest in it. First of all, let you know that it will be written as put. P. This is the short U sound, then to. Put. Whenever you will just open the dictionary, you will find this phonetics or the sounds. These are the sounds. But how can we know that it is not but? Here it will be written bo, then o. When you will learn all those 44 sounds, you can learn them very easily. So it is bo and it is o sound. Many o's are there, many, not many, near about 4 to 5 o sounds are there in English. So you have to learn them. Then to, it is to sound, so it is but. See here exactly. Here it is, we pronounce it as school because we used to listen and we have been habituated to speak it. So it is school. SCH, so it is aspirated. So then comes ko, then sko it is, then double O, so long vowel. Whenever there is a colon, it is a long vowel, and later you will learn it. Then law sound, law, school. But why it is not blood? If double O becomes school, then why it is not blood but we pronounce it as blood? Because here it is, you can know, after learning the sound system, we can know it is B, then law, then blood, then here it is blog, then dog. It is blood. We can learn very easily. But after learning all those 44 sounds, see here how it is. Can we pronounce it as kuta? Because in our childhood, it may be a laughter or laughable matter. Let you know that from my childhood, I was taught when I was in standard 4 or standard 5. During that time, even some of the teachers, even some of my superiors, they taught me that K a ko, K h a kho, G a go, G h a go. In that sense, how can you pronounce that this one is cute? Rather, it may be kute or shute, C sound. So, how can we learn it? Then, in phonetically, it may be written as ko sound, K. Then this one is what we call as J. It is the yo sound, kya. Then if you put here the long vowel Q, then to, cute. See, very easy. It will be very easy once, but provided that we learn once we learn the sound system. But if it is cute, why it is not rude? Automatically a student when reads that particular word pronouncing cute, he will pronounce it as rude, but not. It is what? It is rude. This is the raw sound. And here it is u, then do. Rude, not rude. Exactly what it is very difficult to pronounce this one, to know it. Anyone commonly will pronounce whenever, if someone asks what will be pronunciation or what is the word pronounced, then one may say that it is chalet. But no, there is the saw sound. How it is? Chalet. S. Yes. Chalet. You know, it is a house with wooden structure, basically found in mountains. It is a chalet. It is not chalet. So from here, once we learn the sound system, we can know that this is pronounced as chalet. And it is, you know, we have been habituated to take the buffet system, the food that is served in our occasions, basically thread ceremony or marriage ceremony, or in our birthday. Generally what? See the real spelling of the word. Anyone will generally pronounce it as buffet. But no, it is buffet. Bo. This is the O sound. Bo. Then just opposite of V is the O sound. O sound. Basically for you, later we shall learn it. Then for, then another diphthong is there. Buffet, or it is also pronounced as buffet. Buffet. Not T sound is totally silent here. How shall we know? Exactly all these words are like that. It is champion. See, champion. Cha. This one is the cha sound. This is, see here, this is cha sound. And later you shall know when this particular plosive and this affricate mix together. I am not going to discuss regularly what is the affricate, what is plosive, what is alveolar, what is bilabial sound, what is the palatal sound, palato-alveolar sound, velar sound. Many sounds are there. If we generally gradually go, we shall take interest and we shall discuss all such things. First of all, let you know that it is champion, it is cha, then it is cha, then m pimpa, then ie, then this is called as the short o. Then it is pronounced as champion. Champion. See, but it is not champion. Sometimes I have even heard some of the teachers, they pronounce it as champagri. See how laughable it is. So it is champagne, you know, a costly white wine that is called champagne. It is champagne. So then you may say it that champagne, or it may be only the awesome champagne. Then it is generally what we call as a driver. It is the sofa. Sofa. See, here the aspirated so is there, then so, then for. R sound remains silent. It is sofa, known as a driver. But we commonly call the frame of a vehicle chassis. Actually, it is not so. If you learn it, then what will it be? See, sa, si. This is non-aspirated, what we call as dantasa. This one is the another sa, aspirated sa. It is sasi, not chassis. See how interesting it is in order to learn all those 44 sounds, and how can we learn ourselves the pronunciation of a word. It is generally you can find in your biology, it is fetus, not fetus. Commonly someone may pronounce it as fetus, but you can find it phi, then to, then this is o sound, then so sound. Fetus. So it is another biological term, you know, it is cecum, cecum, C, C-A-E, cecum, cecum. Or sometimes short o is written here. Then it is a kind of bird, you know, in Greek legend we find that a bird that lives up to 500 years. How is it pronounced? Phoenix. But when someone will ask seeing the alphabet, someone may pronounce it as phonics, but it is actually phi, pho, then I, phi, then no, then this is another I, e, then ko, phoenix, then so, phoenix. Then you will come across such phonetics or the sounds in a dictionary so that you can learn yourself. But provided that you learn the sounds. So let me to just clarify that how important to learn the sound system. Then it is, sometimes we say that it is the debut of Tendulkar. It is not debut, it is debut. How can we know? It will be written as de, then bo, then this is yo, then you. Debut. See, it is only debut, not debut. Exactly, it is bucket. Bo, o, ke, bucket. We can pronounce it as bucket, but actually it will be here bucket. E sound is there, but we pronounce bucket. And this one, it is not bucket. Sometimes some of the general persons, they pronounce it as bucket. No, it is actually the bunch of flower that we give to our guests in our function and etc. It is called bouquet. Bo, then u, short u, bu, then ko, then diphthong is there. Bouquet. I shall discuss about the vowels, the monophthongs and the diphthongs, so that it can be very easy. After that, let you see that it is full very easy. Pho, double O is there, so long vowel, then law. It is full, but this is not fuel. We used to pronounce it as fuel, but it is what it is. Pho, then yo, pia, then you, then O sound can be made or not, but law. Fuel or fuel. It is fuel. Here it is. We generally pronounce it as make, but actually it is not make. There is a diphthong A, E and I. After learning the sound system, basically the monophthongs and the diphthongs, vowels, then ko, make, not make. And similarly it is shake. SH means aspirated, that long sound. Then it is what it is? Shake. Then this particular what? It is A, then K. Shake. Then what we pronounce generally this one? Sure, not sure. It is sure. So, then U is there, then O. R is not pronounced. So it is sure. See, all these we should learn them. How it is? I want to just make the small clips because I know that psychologically I studied as far as my own experience is concerned. Long clips are not viewed by the persons, only the short clips, and that should be interesting. So, today this is all, and in the next we shall learn about the sound systems. Thank you all.